Your phone is a tracking device disguised as a communication tool. Right now, that device in your hand is auctioning off your location, your contacts, and your digital habits to the highest bidder, all without you even noticing. Apple promises you privacy, but their walled garden strategy is designed more to keep you locked into their ecosystem than to actually keep you safe. Real privacy isn't something you buy, it's something you build. Today, we're looking at 10 open-source apps that will replace the most data-hungry tools on your iPhone and give you back your digital sovereignty. When you back up your photos to iCloud, Apple actually holds the encryption keys to that data. Technically, this means in the event of a data breach or a government request, your photos are viewable. Entei Photos operates on a zero-knowledge architecture. Your photos are encrypted on your device with a key known only to you before they ever leave. Even if their servers were hacked, attackers would find nothing but unreadable gibberish. Not even Entei's staff can see your family photos. There's just one catch. If you lose your password, no one can recover your data because the power is 100% in your hands. Using Safari for your web browsing, Apple profiles your interests and how much time you spend on various sites under the guise of improving the service. Snow Haze is more than just a browser, it's a shield. With advanced anti-fingerprinting technology, it prevents websites from identifying your device. It automatically wipes all history and cookies the moment a tab is closed. It's more private than Safari and faster than Chrome because it blocks thousands of trackers before they even load. Standard email providers can read your emails like open postcards and scan them for ad targeting. Apple Mail, at a protocol level, doesn't offer full protection. Proton Mail is based in Switzerland, home to the world's strongest data privacy laws. Your emails are end-to-end encrypted. This means from the moment you hit send until it reaches the recipient, your email is in a secure tunnel. The interface is so modern and sleek that you get a premium experience without sacrificing your security. Apple's Keychain locks you into their ecosystem. If you ever switch to a Windows PC or an Android device, your passwords become hostages. Bitwarden is freedom. It is fully open source, meaning the entire world can audit its security. Your passwords, credit card info, and digital notes are protected with military-grade AES-256 encryption. Best of all, with cross-platform support, your passwords are always with you, no matter what device you use, but they remain solely under your control. When you use a free map app, you're usually paying with your location data. Apple Maps records every coffee shop you visit and every street you turn down. Organic Maps was built on the principle that privacy is a human right. It allows you to download entire maps to your phone and works 100% offline. It has no backdoors for cell tower tracking or GPS data harvesting. Since it doesn't use the internet, it saves up to 30% of your battery life and doesn't push you into ads. Your notes are your most private digital space. Your data in Apple Notes is protected by Apple's encryption keys, meaning they can access the content if they choose. With NotesNook, you take that power back. It provides full end-to-end encryption for your notes. Whether it's a business idea, a journal entry, or a private password, it becomes an encrypted mess the moment it leaves your device. Also, unlike Apple, it doesn't charge you monthly subscription fees for features like locked notes or unlimited devices. AirDrop only works within the Apple ecosystem. It's a key part of their walled garden strategy. When you want to send a file to a Windows laptop, they force you into cloud services or cables. Local Send tears this wall down. It uses an open-source local network protocol. It sends files from your phone to any computer or tablet in seconds over your own Wi-Fi, without sending data to any server. No accounts, no restrictions, just speed. iMessage is perceived as secure, but it's only encrypted when you're messaging other iPhone users. The moment you text an Android user, your entire conversation turns into plain text. Signal provides end-to-end encryption regardless of the platform. It's run by a non-profit foundation, meaning there is no profit motive to sell your data. In fact, Signal is the only app that doesn't even keep metadata about who you talked to or when. Most people don't realize their keyboard is the ultimate spy. Every word you type, every password, and every private message is sent to cloud servers to train prediction algorithms. Typewise operates without needing internet permission. The entire AI and prediction engine runs locally on your device. This way, you increase your typing speed while being 100% sure that nothing you type ever leaves your phone. Google makes every search you perform part of your digital identity. Even if you use Safari, the Google search engine profiles you. Brave Search has a completely independent search index. It doesn't track you, it doesn't manipulate results, and it gives you a clean, ad-free internet experience. For a truly neutral and private search experience, this is the only tool you need. Today, we've taken 10 essential steps to turn your iPhone from a tracking device into a digital fortress that you actually own. Which one of these apps are you going to swap first? Let me know in the comments. I personally read and reply to your suggestions. If you want more deep dive guides like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to reclaim your digital sovereignty. I'll see you in the next one.